In this video, I will compare Sunsama versus Notion and tell you which of these tools may be best for you and your needs. So they are very different and they have very different pricing. So therefore in this video, I'll just give you a quick comparison between these so that you don't make a mistake. So let's start with what they do exactly, and let's first take a look at Notion. So Notion really does quite a lot of things. You can use it as your own planner, you can use it for project management and to work together in teams. So you can see right here under the product, you have an AI assistant, you can use it as a document editor, you have wikis so that you can centralize your team's knowledge. You can do project management, it works as a calendar, you can build a site, and they have a bunch of templates. Now, Notion is very good for teams, but it's also very good for individuals. Now, comparing this to Sunsama, Sunsama is strictly for individuals. They don't have a collaboration plan or anything with teams. So if you're looking for a tool to do project management or do anything to work together with teams, then just go with Notion, because there you can actually invite all of your team members and everyone can just work on the projects within that space. Now, when should you then go with Sunsama? I think Sunsama is an awesome software, but it's only if you are looking for a personal daily planner. Now, by personal, I don't mean that you cannot plan work with it, but if it is not really in collaboration with your business or team members, but it's more just for you to get a view of what you want to do today, and you can also add stuff like going to the gym and set up recurring tasks. But Sunsama is really aimed at individuals, and their headline is also "Make work-life balance a reality." So it's not all about work, it's just for you to plan out your day. Now, Sunsama has a very aesthetic interface, and one feature that I do like a lot about Sunsama that does give it an edge above Notion for some people is that you can really easily drag in tasks from a bunch of software such as Asana, Notion actually, Todoist, Trello, GitHub, Jira, and ClickUp. So for example, if you connect to your Asana account, you can see all of your Asana tasks here, and then you can really easily drag it into your schedule for today, and then it will import the amount of time that it takes and stuff like that. So if you are looking for a personal planner, then you should go with Sunsama. And by the way, usually Sunsama offers a 14-day free trial, but if you sign up through the link in the description, you will get an extended 30-day free trial. So if you do want to try out Sunsama, and I definitely recommend you do if you're looking for a personal daily planner, because it does look very awesome and it's just really nice to use. But then you can get started through the link in the description with an extended free trial to give you some more time to really get the hang of the entire platform. I have also created a full tutorial about Sunsama, so if you want to save yourself some time, then click on the second link in the description, because in that video I'll show you how you can set up recurring tasks and basically how you can do everything you need to know with Sunsama. Now, if you want to work together with teams, then you should probably go with Notion. Now, also, if you want to get started with Notion completely for free, I'll also leave a link to this page down in the description. From here, click Get Notion Free, and from there you can get started. Now, in terms of pricing for Notion, you can see their free plan right here. You can invite 10 guests. Then the plus plan is $10 per seat per month. Here you can invite 100 guests, but as you can see, for many people it's actually free because 10 guests is quite a lot. But if you need more blogs, more files, more history, and basically all of this right here, such as automations, then you will need to get one of their premium plans. Also, if you want to get a bulk PDF export, private team spaces, which is something that you will probably want to get, and if you want to get 90-day page history. They also have an AI, so if you want to get the AI assistant, you can add it to your workspace for $8 per member per month, and that is when you bill annually. Monthly it's $10 per member per month. Now, this AI is very cool and it will help you save a bunch of time every single day. So if you want to work together with teams, get started with Notion. Again, you can get started through the link in the description. And if you want to get a daily planner, then you should be using Sunsama. And also again, if you want to get a 30-day free trial instead of 14 days, you can sign up through the link down in the description. If this comparison of Sunsama versus Notion was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.